Hi guys, this is Micah. So today's video, I will show you how to teach your kids letter sounds. It's very important for you to teach your kids letter sounds first before the name of that letter, so it will be easier for them to read and also easy for them to spell. So let's start. A, A. B, B. K, K. D, D. E, E. G, G. E, E. J, J. K, K. O, O. Mm, mm. Mm, mm. A, A. P, P. Q, Q. R. S, S. Ts, Ts. V, V. W, W. X, X. Y, Y. Z, Z. So that's the 26 English letter sounds, and make sure that you will let your kids watch this video or watch this video and teach your kids at least 3 to 5 times a day these letter sounds. Next, bar. B, A, R. B, A, R. Bar. Next, at, bat. Next, no cheating. Cover your paper.
I'm not done yet.
You're not done yet?
Right here.
Oh my gosh, why? Oh, there it is. Next, number 2, fat. No cheating. At, fat. Number 2, fat. No cheating. At, fat. Thank you for watching, guys. Again, this is Micah, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.